I know, but I'll just put a filter on it. It's what everyone else does, isn't it? No, just the face. Hello, fellow Easy Fitters. Today is a great day if you have one of these batteries. The reason is, if you're like me, you get about 20 miles out of these. Now I know the LVBU website says more, some other retailers say more. In our tests, you're looking at 20 miles. If you like to do 20 to 30 miles, therefore, a little bit frustrating, but I'm hoping in this box, which arrived today, is a solution. So in here, and I genuinely haven't opened it yet, is what we're calling Easy Fit 2. Should be battery, controller, charger. We'll see. All labelled up for me. We've got the correct labelling with the battery. You would not believe how important that is to get through customs. So we sort all that out for you. I'm hoping this is direct from LVBU. I'm hoping this is our upgrade. Well packed. Oh wow, very well packed. That's good news. We'll reuse that packaging, I think. Okay, 2 boxes. Already I can tell that's a bigger battery. LVBU, not been opened before. Oh my word. Yes. Set of 2 keys. Don't lose them. And 1 bigger battery. Fits the same Easy Fit wheel that you have now, but 50% more batteries. This has 20 Samsung lithium batteries, this has 30. Lock underneath. Also, there's a different finish, because you may find, like I do, as soon as you put this in your battery cage, the paint comes off. This is a different matte finish, so you don't get that problem. It has a flashlight, but here's the thing, 50% more use, so we're looking at 30 miles, and we're going to do tests to confirm that. New controller, same technology, but being a different size, you do have to get the controller. This battery won't fit in here, which is what you'll have now. So new controller, bigger battery, the same 1 cable. Let's put that down here. 1 more box. Why? Because what we need is a separate charger. Very important, LVBU are telling us you can't use your existing charger with this battery. We don't know the details, I know as much as you, but you get a charger with your upgrade kit. So what we're going to be doing is preparing to sell. We've got a number of these coming over by air, which takes about 3 weeks. Bigger battery, new controller, new charger, upgrade to your existing Easy Fit wheel, so you keep your wheel and you install and swap the battery and use the new charger. Details on the website soon. We're very excited. We'll get a price for you and we'll do a video of installing, swapping the new battery so we can show you how easy it is. Fantastic. Well, you put the filters on after.